Planning an international move from New Haven, Connecticut? It can feel overwhelming with all the packing, paperwork, and logistics involved. In this video, we'll break down the key things you need to know to make your move smooth, affordable, and stress-free. The cost of an international move depends on the size of your shipment, destination, and type of service. Full container moves are more expensive but ideal for large households, while partial container or shared shipments are cost-effective for smaller moves. Keep in mind that ocean freight typically takes 4 to 6 weeks, whereas air freight is faster but significantly more expensive. Ocean freight is the standard for large shipments. You can choose a full container or share a container with other movers to reduce costs. Air freight is faster and ideal for essential items, documents, or small shipments, but it's pricier per kilogram. Vehicles can be shipped via roll-on/roll-off or container service depending on the destination and type of vehicle. Downsize belongings before you move. The lighter your shipment, the lower the cost. Plan in advance to avoid last-minute fees and peak season surcharges. Consider selling, donating, or recycling items you no longer need. International moving doesn't have to be complicated. By planning ahead, packing smartly, and working with professional movers, your move from New Haven can be smooth and worry-free. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helped you plan your move.